Pizza has never, like, you know, there was that, what was the guy's name? Like, Job? The guy who, like, God, like, killed his whole family and whatnot. And then,
Oh
like,
yeah, made a bet with the devil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pizza has never done that to anybody.
Bet I can give this fat fuck heart disease and he'll still eat.
Yeah. Well, I mean, of course I have to eat. If you don't eat, you die.
Well, I meant like still eat pizza. Like, you know what I meant.
Well, yeah.
You don't have to eat pizza. Like, you can eat, like, vegetables.
Why would you eat vegetables when there's pizza though, is what I'm saying.
Now, would you put vegetables on your pizza if it meant you could live longer?
What kind of vegetables and how much longer?
Say mushrooms and green peppers for an extra 15 years.
I think you're pushing it.
But every pizza you ate had to have mushrooms and green peppers.
Every single one?
Every single one of them.
I don't know about all that. I got an enemy on me.
That sucks. I'm not gonna be any help at close range. Well, I just picked up an RE, so never mind. I have an R3. Alright, I'm coming to help.
He's in. Oh god. He's in that building there.
Now I have an R3 and a Prowler, so yeah, I'm definitely coming to help now.
I have a Havoc and a Prowler.
Alright, now I'm coming to help. There's somebody behind me.
How many times you're gonna say that before you actually come up?
Somebody's on me! Help! 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 Fuck!
I'm coming. Survive.
Well, I guess when I say I'm coming to help, I should probably come and help and not keep looting. Hey, we're up to 2 viewers. That's the most I've seen in a while. Howdy doody, y'all.
Don't ever in your life say howdy doody again. I swear. That is the least okay thing you have ever said.
What's wrong with that?
You can make all kinds of jokes about misfortune and sex and gender and all that other shit, but they will never be less okay than what you just said.
What's wrong with that? Balloon out of there, my guy.
I should have, but for whatever stupid ass reason, you can't hit. They hit me. I thought they were gonna miss me. All of the.
I did 15 fucking damage. I don't have a right to laugh. Don't ever in your life.
Dude, you said howdy doody. If I ever said that, I want you to hit me in the fucking face. Tell me this doesn't sound. Chicken, bacon.
Stop
and
right
hot
there.
Sauce.
Alright, you lost me.
What?
Dude, I don't do well with heat.
It's not that hot. It's really subdued hot sauce. It's like.
Okay, guess we're going to the train now.
It's like lukewarm sauce.
Alright, if I'm not allowed to say howdy doody, you are not allowed to say lukewarm sauce to me.
What I said was clever. What you said was hick. I have anything. I had 3 fucking Phoenix kits. This is nice. Just sitting on the train.
Hey, dude. Except for that fucking volcano about to erupt over there. Kind of scared. We're good. I fell off the train. I'm gonna make a pit stop because I just saw purple armor. You know, in hindsight, this probably wasn't the best move. I really hope I find a med kit in here.
How far of a pit stop did you make?
I
mean, given that you don't have any maneuverability, yeah, that was probably a bad idea.
Yeah. But I have purple armor.
Well, that doesn't matter when the ring is killing you. Your inability to say no to loot is a problem.
I'm sorry. Which one of the two of us has purple armor?
I'm sorry. Which one of the two of us is now down a Phoenix kit?
Technically, both of us.
No, me.
We'll see.
Imagine this scenario. Imagine every time I get something good, you have to give up something. This is what happens every single time, because you're like, oh, I'm gonna go get loot, and you either die, or you take a lot of damage. And so I have to drop heals for you, because you never have heals.
Listen, I haven't found any heals. I actually don't know if
That's because you're busy looking for fucking armor and shit and never pick it up.
Well, that's not my fault.
I'm not even gonna...
I'm not even gonna respond to that.
Right. What the fuck? I'm stuck on the icicles.
Look, if I find another Phoenix kit, I'll give it to you.
You oughta.
I am not an otter. It's a terrible joke, I'm so sorry. I didn't get to see what else was in that care package, but I have a Kraber.
That is fine. There's a guy there, and then there was the team on the train tracks. I think they might be on the same team. Because there was two over there, and that guy's going towards them.
Oh, they're pushing us.
I didn't hit a single bullet. I'm gonna back up.
Yep. Oh, he almost hit me. Oh, he's hit me. He's hit me bad.
I really hope they don't peek around the corner, because if they do, they're gonna kill me.
I missed? Oh, fuck!
Lovely.
That's alright. As long as they go after you and not me, I'll be fine. They went after me. Oh, I can't believe I missed that Kraber shot.
I can't believe you stopped.
Well, they were perched up on that rock, so I was gonna try to...
You mean they had high ground and you peeked? I can't wait
Sort of fucking Christ.
until we have, like, creation machines that you can, like, have in your house. Like, imagine, like, maybe it could be, like, a teleporter machine, or maybe it could just, like, fold, like, atoms into it and, like, structure them as you need. Like, kind of like a 3D printer, but with, like, anything. Imagine just being able to, like, go over to the computer and type in, I want pizza, and then just all of a sudden, it's just, like, built. It's, like, printed right in front of you in some machine. Or it's, like, teleported to you. You know, we're already able to grow chicken in a lab, right?
Stop it.
We actually can't. We can take the DNA of a chicken
I said stop.
and grow it
I don't give two
into
fucks.
actual, like, into actual chicken breasts.
This is not something that I want to hear.
We can grow meat already,
This is
Kai.
not something that I want to be a part of.
We've already reached a point where we can create legs that are almost as good as normal human legs, that are actually capable of, like, telling where you are in your stride as you're walking. And we can grow meat. That's
Just because we can doesn't always mean that we should.
Well, we gotta at least try.
Do we? Do we have
Yeah.
to?
I have an anvil. Oh, hey!
Got him. He's mad. You killed an enemy. I killed an enemy.
Mother bitch! You just took everything!
I killed him!
Oh, yeah.
Oh good, our teammate's dead. I can finally get my gold charge rifle. Oh! Shit! I'm dead. 100%. Oh no, I'm not. I'm the best.
What did we say about you getting blinded by loot?
No, I didn't get blinded by loot. I tried to snipe him and I missed.
Because you were blinded by loot.
I wasn't
Holy shit, how did he turn around so quick?
That's what I'm saying. I wasn't blinded by loot. He's just fucking good.
I really need help, Kai. I really could use your help.
I have no health. Alright, I got 2 shield cells.
No! Kai!
Here I come to save the day.
You didn't save the day! I died! If Mary Jane died, then Spider-Man fucked up!
I looked right at him.
You're a bloodhound! You could've just used the thing! yelling at you.